Hello from Basel. My name is Tuulevi Ovaska. I'm a board member and we're talking about scholarships that EAHIL members can apply for to attend EAHIL events. First, I'm talking to Marshall Dozier, who is the past president, and you are in charge of this process of scholarships. Could you tell me what are EAHIL-EBSCO scholarships?
Thank you, Tuulevi. The EAHIL-EBSCO scholarships are currently €500 per scholarship winner, and the idea of the scholarship is to allow members who are new to the profession or who live in areas where they are not getting funding to attend professional events like conferences. And another aim is, of course, to enable these active new members of our profession to contribute to high quality workshops, posters and presentations at these events.
Thank you, Marshall. And we have 5 scholarship winners here, and I would like you to introduce yourself, please.
My name is Kubra. I come from Turkey, Istanbul. I'm working at Basel University.
Hello, my name is Krizia Tuand. I work at the KU Leuven Libraries in Belgium.
My name is Henrik Laursen. I work in Denmark at the Regional Hospital in Central Jutland.
Hello, my name is Magdalena Kokosińska and I'm from Poland. I work in the Information Library Center of the Medical University in Łódź in Poland.
Hello, my name is Martina. I am from Croatia and I work in Central Medical Library of University of Zagreb, School of Medicine.
Thank you. And how did you hear about EAHIL and the possibility to apply for this scholarship?
I'm joining EAHIL for the first time. I came with both JOE and EAHIL scholarship. I learned by my teacher EAHIL scholarship program that allows participation from Turkey in previous years. She encouraged me to apply for this scholarship. I learned about the JOE scholarship by email and immediately started preparing to apply.
I heard about a scholarship from my colleague. He got a scholarship last year and he motivated me because it was really worth it to apply.
I only recently learned about EAHIL. I'm working on a project with a colleague, and she suggested that we present a poster here at the EAHIL workshop. And because I have to apply at my hospital to attend, when I saw the possibility of a workshop, a scholarship, I immediately tried to apply.
My colleague told me about the possibility to getting the scholarship, so I tried. I didn't believe that I will get it, but I did, so I'm so very happy to be here.
I heard about EAHIL and the conference from colleagues who attended it a few years ago, so I decided to apply for scholarship as well, and I'm very excited and happy for being here.
Excellent. And the last question, this is the second or first day for you here at EAHIL workshop in Basel. What are your impressions so far?
A great organization. I'm so happy to be here. I met very experienced colleagues here. The workshops have learned many new and updated information very efficiently. I would very much like to attend next year and in the following years. When I return to my country, I will share this experience with my colleagues and at my university.
I already hung up my poster this morning and I got a lot of interaction, people already coming to see. We also presented already a workshop and tomorrow we will give another one. The interaction is really great here, it's really low-key and I'm getting a lot of tips and tricks for the systematic reviews.
Yeah, the workshops have been really great. I thought it would be a more one-way learning experience, but we've been very active in the session, so that's very enjoyable. And the weather is really nice.
So far, I attended in 4 workshops yesterday and today, and they were very, very good. So I'm very happy to be here and to attend the next workshop. And of course, I have to say that people here are very friendly, and I think it's a big good point of this EAHIL. And next year, of course, I will attend as well because I am from Łódź.
Everything is so well organized here, and presenters are the experts in the area, so I think we all can learn a lot from them. And social events are also great to connect with people and colleagues from other countries.
Thank you all for this interview. It has been really nice to meet new colleagues and to welcome you to EAHIL. Sometimes we call it the EAHIL family. Maybe you get some of that feeling also here. And I hope I can see you in the future events also. Thanks.
Thank you.